Hi, in today's video we will talk about how to replace NAs in R with the desired value. We'll be using the dplyr package in this, and I want to construct my data as a data frame. So if I run everything together, we have a data set which has an ID, and you can notice that in the balance field we have a NA, in the credit rating field we have a NA, and in the customer type field we have a NA. But NAs are different. The first one is a numeric value, and the second and the third is slightly different. We have a NA which doesn't have double quotes there, but in the customer type we have a NA which is basically a string because there's a quotes around that. So it's basically not NA, it's a string which has two characters, N and A, which is different from NA. So let's see how we can fix it. Using the if underscore else, we're checking if the balance is NA, that means this statement is true, then we want to replace it with a 0. Otherwise, we would just replace it or leave it with the actual amount, which is the balance. So if I run this one, we have fixed the balance column. We can see that the NA has been replaced with a 0. And if you wanted to replace it with a 2, you can do that as well. So you can see that it'll get replaced with a 2 as well. Now, let's concentrate on the second scenario. Do the glimpse again. We can notice that our credit rating is a text field, is a character, but it has a NA in that. So because it has a NA there, because there's no quotes around that, so we can still use the is NA statement. So if I run this on the credit rating field, we see that we have fixed it. Now the N has been replaced with the X. So that also worked. Now let's concentrate on the third one. So third one is again is a character field, but it has a NA there. Notice that this NA is different. Now let me run this command again, and in this case I'm saying customer type, and if the customer type is NA, so I'm checking it by is.NA, and then I want to replace it with unknown. Let's see if it works or not. It's not working, and the reason for that is the NA in this case has a double quotes there, so it's actually a string. Our approach should be like this in this. So we should be using this approach, saying if the customer type equals a string which is NA, then I want to replace it with unknown. Otherwise, leave it as whatever the original value was. So if I run this, you would see that now it has been replaced. So we have seen how we can replace the actual NA values, and we have also seen how we can replace a value which has a string NA. And there are various ways to, everybody uses different ways, but I like this option because it's the simplest and it's easy to remember. And with this option, you use the same command and you can handle different type of fields and different type of NAs. I hope you found this information useful. Thank you very much for watching it, and I'll see you in the next one.